Hello everyone, how you doing? It is very happy to see you again into another video and let's get practice again into the Microsoft Excel guys. So in this video, I'd like to show you how to use VLOOKUP but in another version or in another way. Let's say to start it off, I would like to show you this is the table. Let's say you are the sales manager of the language course and what services you have provided is English course, Korean, Japan, Portuguese, Spanish, and Arabic is here. And also there are the salesperson here. I'm sorry. There are Josh, Jeremy, Noah, Haley, Timmy, and Don. And every each of them has the quantity sales. And let's say you would like to know of this course, how many quantity sales and the total sales. So the first one, I would like to show you how the formula works. So direct your cursor into the cell of 313 and then give it the equal and type VLOOKUP and give it double click until the left parentheses is appear here, and after that you can drag this reference from cell of B13 until B15, and after that give it a comma, and after that you will like to drag the search of the data that contains about the language, salesperson, and quantity sales. Let's say I will drag the data from the cell of B4 until D9, or the faster way still the same. Control, Shift, down, and right. There you go. And don't forget to lock this the array. I will give the F4 from your keyboard. And after that, please pay attention. As you can see here, the quantity cell column is placed or located in the third from the language column. 1, 2, 3, and we will type 3 here and wrap it up with the false. End it up with the false and give it the last parentheses and enter. There you go. There are 34 cells of Portuguese, Spanish 35, and Arabic 33. And let's say this is the special case. You would like to know about the total sales of each these courses, but the data is in the next of the sheets. There are here in another sheet. How can I fill this data? Well, actually, if you have a lot of time, you can fill this data in this cell manually. But here, I will show you how the formula works. You can give it the equal, and again, we look up, give it a double click until the parentheses is appeared here again, and again, drag the data or the reference that you would like to know, and after that, give it a comma, and you will going to the next sheet, and after that you can drag the data from the cell of B3 here until the D9, and after that don't forget to lock it up with the F4 of your keyboard, and please don't forget to see the column of total sales. As you can see here, the total sales column is placed after 3 after the language. 1, 2, 3. Then you will type 3 and false and wrap it up with the last parenthesis on the right side and enter. There you go. There you have it. You will see the data here. The total sales of Portuguese is quantity sales. There are sorry, 34, and the total sales is 340. Let's say you can name it with your currency. And what if I would like to know this course? You can just drag it down, or if I give it backward, you can just direct your cursor into the little square here, and give it double click. There you go. I hope this video helpful for you guys, and don't forget to practice it and let us know if this formula works for you. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.